How to see reposts on TikTok. Hello everybody, welcome back to the channel. Today I'll guide on how you can find and watch your reposted videos on TikTok. Now to do so is quite simple and quite easy, so let me guide you through it. First, what you want to do is open up the TikTok app and make sure you're logged into your account. You'll get an interface like this. Now what you want to do is tap on the profile icon at the bottom right corner of your screen and head into your profile here. Now you'll see a little two arrow facing each other icon at the screen. You can see here right in the middle. Simply tap on it and you'll find all your reposted videos here. Now you can see the videos you repost are visible to your friends as well option as well. So here you can find your repost videos. If you want to remove them from repost, what you want to do is open up the video and tap on the share option at the bottom right corner of the post, and then simply tap on remove repost and you'll be able to remove repost. So this way you can find your repost on TikTok. Hope this helped you. Do like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.